You scroll past a photo, or a video, or a voice note, and you assume it is real. For your whole life, that assumption was mostly safe. In 2026, it is not. AI can now fake all three, convincingly. So let us build you a simple, practical radar for spotting a fake, before it fools you. Here is the uncomfortable starting point. Seeing is no longer believing. A realistic photo or video is no longer proof that something happened. But do not panic, because you are not helpless. You just need to swap blind trust for a few quick habits. Let us start with what to actually look for. First, forget the old advice. You have probably heard, just count the fingers, or look for weird eyes. Honestly, that trick is basically dead. The best fakes now get hands, faces, and eyes right. So we need sharper, more current tells. Here they are, one type at a time. For images, stop staring at the face and look at everything around it. AI still struggles with the edges. Text on signs that melts into nonsense. Backgrounds that bend in impossible ways. Skin that is a little too flawless. Jewelry, teeth, and reflections that do not quite obey physics. The lie is usually in the corners. For video, watch the face closely and watch it over time. Look for blinking that feels slightly off. Lips that drift a fraction out of sync with the words. A faint flicker or shimmer along the hairline, the jaw, or where the face meets the neck. Real footage is consistent frame to frame. Fakes often wobble at the boundaries. And for voice, which is the one behind so many scams, listen instead of just reacting. Cloned voices often sound strangely flat and emotionless. They forget to breathe, or the breaths land in the wrong places. The rhythm can feel just a little too even, too smooth, missing the messy warmth of a real person. But here is the problem with every single tell I just gave you. AI is improving fast, and each of these clues will slowly disappear as the fakes get better. So what is the one skill that keeps working, even when the fake is flawless? It is not about the pixels at all. Let me show you. The tell that never goes out of date is this. Check the source, not the image. Do not ask, does this look real? Ask, where did this actually come from? Who posted it first? Is it a trusted place? Do a quick reverse image search and see if any real news outlet is reporting the same thing. Pair that with 3 fast questions. Who posted this, and do they have a track record? Who benefits if I believe it and share it? And, is it almost too shocking, too perfect, or too outrageous to be true? Fakes are engineered to hit you with a jolt of emotion, because emotion is what stops you from checking. So here is the whole habit in 4 seconds. You see something shocking. You pause, just for a breath. You reverse search it, or look for 2 trusted sources saying the same thing. And only then do you believe it, or share it. That tiny pause is your single best defense against the entire fake internet. And let us be honest about where this is going. The visual tells, the fingers, the flicker, the melting text, will keep fading as the technology improves. Chasing them forever is a losing game. The habit of checking the source, though, only gets more valuable. Build that one, and you are set for years. So, spotting an AI fake. Glance at the edges, the timing, and the breathing for quick clues, sure. But your real superpower is simpler and permanent. Check the source, not the pixels, and pause before you share. Next time, we tackle a big, emotional one. Is AI bad for your kids? I will see you there.